So this is the RMT 10-1299 NC 10-foot wide table. I believe it's capable of 5/8 thickness. And this is what we're rolling on it right now. So we bought this as a replacement for our old roundo machine that was giving us a lot of problems. And so far it's been a really good machine. We had one issue. The technician came out, fixed it, knocked it out, and no problems with it. This is an NC controller, very simple to use. We won't go through all the controls, but we ended up adding these little pieces on the side here. Raises up and down. Over here, same thing. And this holds the can as we're rolling. As you can see, we got these are 13-foot diameter cans. That's max height on this guy, is 13 foot. And I know you can go up to 20 foot, but that was enough for us. So this is, again, the R Smart 10-1299 NC. And we looked at the CNC control. NC is perfect for us. You can still program everything in it that we need to. I mean, our CNC roundo machine, basically this controller, it's an NC controller, and it's smarter than our original CNC controller. So we like it. Very easy to use. We've got a guy that we trained for a few days, and he's off on his own making these rolls. Never rolled anything in his life. But again, this is a machine, and so far minimal issues. Like I said, we had the one moment of downtime. Our maintenance guy contacted the technician. He came out, troubleshot it very quickly, fixed it, and we're back up and running. Everything seems to be really good quality on the build. Good welds. You know, some of the other equipment we bought, you'll see little stitch welds, you know, with really bad paint jobs, and I don't see that on this machine. Quality bolts. You can see a little bit of these. You know, as a welding shop, that's kind of something that we look for, but it's quality workmanship. I can't argue with that. Good solid thick plates. And everything works well for us. Nice, easy to use controls. Simple system. So just to give you an idea of the versatility, like I said, the guy using our roller had only been rolling for a couple of days, and he's made all of these rolls for us pretty easily with minimal help. So not much on the training side to get that thing up and running. But everything inside of here was rolled on the same machine. The problem we had with our old machine was the lag. So when you do your pre-bend and post-bend, you would end up either overbending or underbending, and then try to account for underbending and then overbend. And we were having issues with it over and over again. And not that it was probably that hard. Somebody with a lot of experience wouldn't have those issues, but that new machine just made it so much simpler. You know, here's your pre and post bend, and it looks just like a piece of pipe. I mean, the guy knocked it out quickly and easily. But all the rolls are nice and clean. You can see the edges up there. You'll see a slight flat, and that's just from the welding. That's not from the rolling. But that's an easy fix. So all of this was rolled, and we can get a roll out in, when the guy's on his game, you know, 30-45 minutes to knock out one of these 13-foot diameter 3/8 thick shells. So that is these are the first ones that we've rolled with that machine. We're excited to see what else we can do with it, and it helps us to be more competitive with pricing. Again, this is the R Smart 10-1299 NC. So like I said, we did a lot of research on these machines, on this equipment. We're actually going for an 8-foot table, and for the price difference, the design, I mean, we had to go with a 10-foot table, and it lets us be a lot more versatile. You know, delete some seam welds on some of these larger cans. These are 8-foot cans, but we do deal with a lot of 10-foot wide plate, and it helps us to save money. So we were talking about before this controller here. This thing, I mean, it's as simple as it gets. We taught the guy to use it. Within 2 to 3 days, he was up and running by himself. Never rolled anything in his life. And to be fair, the guy teaching him had only been rolling for a couple of months. But you saw the quality on the cans, the quality of the work. It's fast, it's efficient, and the thing, it's a powerhouse. It just keeps moving and moving and moving and going. We had the one hiccup, the one issue that RMT came out and fixed, right away for us, and we were very pleased with that, with the service, the quality, the technician's knowledge. The last machine we had, the Roundo, you couldn't get a technician out, and if you did, they kind of laughed at you. So this was a lot better. And like I said, if you look up close, we were talking about the quality of the welds on this, which really affects your paint job. They've got nice good seal welds on all of this. They didn't leave spots out. They didn't stitch weld this to save money. They've got all of this seal welded. Everything's painted inside and out, so we don't have the rust bleeding out. And we're just very pleased with the product. Your safety cables, of course, everyone's going to have that. And this station here with the flat screen, the last one we had, it was this huge hulking piece of equipment, and this is a nice, lightweight, easy to roll around. You can pull it anywhere with the attached cables, so you can see what you're doing. And then we built this a nice cover. So we pop the cover on top and keeps everything nice and safe. So if you have welding debris or grinding debris flying, it protects the screen. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, we're very pleased with the machine. We're pleased with the equipment. We're happy with the purchase, and we'll be buying some more equipment from RMT in the future. Because it's helped us to be more competitive with pricing. It's helped us to expand our business, and that's what I think everybody wants to do. That's where we're going, right?